The first live video that I make at market open. I'm still in the position in TTD from yesterday, my swing. Currently it's kind of moving at the open, as we know that choppy action the first few minutes. Gonna see if we can head higher. If not, I'm just gonna cut it. And then it's gonna be all for this ticker. But I'm quite confident that we can head a little bit higher if we respect that trend line at 132.44. We are seeing a nice wash right here. Just gonna wait for a quick pop to cover into. The trade didn't work out as expected, but I'm still up on the position, so yeah. Let's see if I can get filled. I've got an order out at 131.60. Okay, got hit right here. So my average was approximately at 130.5, and I covered yesterday some in the 133.5 area, and now that was 1/3, and covered the second, or basically the 2/3 remaining shares at 131.6, so a little bit over $1 on the second half to 2/3, and $3 approximately on the 1/3. That's approximately, if I count it all, a win of 1.75 to $2 per share. So yeah, Not a bad position, just wanted more push towards 135. Um, but yeah, can't be mad about that. Just happens. So now we're shutting back up. It's alright. I didn't want to hold it longer than that, even if it's higher now, because I'm more focused today on CGC and PTEI. That's good. Nice, man. Lower than expected. Let's do 0.6 and 0.7. PTI, I'm waiting, or I was waiting for a move that a parabolic move to the upside in the morning to short into. Um, so I'm gonna try and take a starter here if I can. Gonna keep you updated, but I'm gonna close the recording now because it seems like it's a little bit too much for my computer with all the applications. Hey, I'm back again. Wanted to short PTI at that 160 area, risking off the pre-market highs at 175. Wanted to short as we came back up for a double top and also lower high right here. Thing is, I swung TTD this morning, and my cash buying power and my margin buying power weren't set right. I had to get in touch with Trade Zero, and when all the things were done, and I had my margin buying power and cash buying power again, I wanted to take my borrows on PTEI, or RE, I mean, but they were gone. So I couldn't short right here, and I missed my opportunity because the cash buying power was not set right. So that's always nice. But what I'm seeing right now is that I'm pretty angry because of that. So I need to take a step back and really focus, because otherwise I'm gonna make bad decisions. So I really need to just chill out and wait for the next opportunity. It's not the last one for PC, i.e. it's probably the last one, but yeah, it is what it is. I can't change it now, but yeah, always it's always pretty awful when you see an opportunity, you would have taken it, but you can't. You could just can't. So yeah. Right now I'm looking at CJC. As you know, pre-market. Maybe you don't know. I'm going to show you right now. Trended up, trended down at open. Wanted it right here at this 35 area. Couldn't because of the buying power. Now it's it opened, crashed back down, kind of it's grinding up right now. So this grinding action is the reason why I don't take it short right here at open, because I've got a tight stop over $33, so 30 cents basically, and a potential of more than $1 right here to this 31 area, to 31.5 to 31 area. But I think that we could head higher right now. At least it seems that way right now. Um, if it drops, I'm gonna look for a bounce to short into. No play here. TTD, no play again. AWX, was interested in that one because it ramped back up yesterday in the afternoon, and I wanted to play off this 461 area. It's not at that 450 that I would like to see. I would like a test, that would be the best, but at least I would want to short into the 450 area to risk 10 cent to have a nice risk reward right here. So I'm not going to play it right now. THST, yeah, congrats to Alex and to the other traders that nailed that one yesterday. TIS, wanted to play that 188 break just based on the SEC filings. Just awful, awful, awful. Same with, yeah, missed that one, but I don't like that kind of pre-market action right here. It's kind of a sign for me that chat rooms are gonna play it. Yeah, just don't want to touch that kind of action. MXWL, saw the filings yesterday. I think that's one of the companies that had the dirtiest filings that I saw in my trading career. Basically, they told in their 10K that 10K filing that they couldn't go on with their debt, and that the company might fall apart. So they did an offering, and the directors and all the executives bought into the offering, basically to push the price higher, to put a little bit of cash into the company. And yeah, that's all that I see right now. Didn't look through my scanners yet. As I said, I was kind of looking for a short on PTI. Right now it's even lower. Chart got a bit of delay right here. Need to fix that. Basically, it's at 130.47 right now. So right here, on the view app now, pissed as fuck. But yeah. Maybe I don't trade anymore today. If I don't see an A plus pattern, not gonna trade at all. Especially because I know that I would get emotional at this point. But yeah, see, yeah, would have worked right here, but I know that most of these patterns don't work when they grind up like this. So yeah. Gonna wait if we can crash to this 41 area, bounce, or maybe a bounce right now and then crash back down under this $32 area. That would be nice. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated. See you later. Alright, what's going on? I'm back. I'm green on day, quite nicely. I'm gonna show you the TTD chart. As you know, I covered this morning right before the spike here, just in this red candle. Was a wise choice because it really crashed down $10 after I did, and that still was a green trade right here. Then I got alerted by a chat member that PT IE was spiking, and I took it long right here as it dipped down to this trend line, popped up, covered at 177. Um, in hindsight, you think, okay, it got to $2, but you never know that. And especially in this summer market that we've been in since weeks, months now, we saw a lot of spikes and then boom, dump right under support, not respecting any structure. So I'm not mad about my cover. It was a nice gain. Um, CJC, I was short from this area right here, added on the way down, and I had this trend line. It was a trend line, the low of the pre-market, and also if you look back, it was support right here because it was resistance. I just took the whole number right here because it respects stock respect a lot of whole numbers. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna use the 29 number. Got down to it, wanted a wash under to cover, didn't. Watched it reclaim right here, and then it consolidated, and I cut it off right in this 30, 35 area, I think, for a break-even trade. And from there on, I um, took it long as it broke over 30.70 because all the shorts right here are in the red when it breaks out here, and really nobody is expecting it, but I am, and I also saw the higher lows building right here in this neckline at this 30.47 area. So I took it long and covered as it pushed to this 31 area. Took it, I think, from even lower, from 30.51, yeah, and covered at 30.97. I'm not likely to trade anything else today, just because we are now in this afternoon market, midday market, and most of the time we just have choppy action. So yeah, should have covered a bit as I saw it popped up, maybe half right here, even though it didn't cross the 29 line, but I didn't, and just it's a break-even trade, so I'm not really mad. Just bad luck on my cover, and yeah, that's all. I may look for a long on CJC because all the shorts in the morning will be in the red if we cross the 33 area, and we are also basing right around the VWAP, right over it. So I might take a trade. Keep you updated. All right, final update for today. I'm green a lot today. Um, I recovered all the losses from yesterday and the day before. As I told you, I was likely to take a trade on CJC as we crossed the VWAP to the upside. And what I did was I saw it spike over the VWAP as I told you, and kind of waited to see how we reacted, how we would react. And maybe I'll show you the 1 minute chart. It's much better because it's also what I traded with. Saw it come to this area right here and spike back up. Took it along right here, spiked up. I was up, came back down, stopped out for a small loss. Retook it right here at this 33 area. I just thought, all right, we're spiking. All the shorts in here are red, and I had a small risk. I mean, I was long from the 31.33 mark right here as it came down, and I was risking this 31.20 area. So took it, came back up. I let it test right here, right there. Came back up, thought we could break, it didn't. So I covered quickly at I think right around here on this candle or this candle for a nice loss, recovering from that small loss right here. So yeah, just took the quick win and walked away. as you can see, we got this candle, so I would have been stopped out, but I was already out and kind of consolidated and broke out afterwards. But I was away. I went to see a film, and yeah, it's a nice day overall. Gonna be making these videos tomorrow, so the same video, recapping my trades, and maybe a live video if I find a solution for my computer, because I think that all the applications that I've got open at once may slow down my computer. Still need to figure that out. Maybe I'll buy a new computer soon. I've been thinking about that. So yeah, nice profit day today. Really just pissed me a little bit off this morning, as my buying power wasn't all right, and I had to call Trade Zero and get in touch with them to fix that. But as it turned out, I don't know if I would have been in a green on PTIE. I would have shorted at this 160 mark. I don't know if I would have covered at 150, or if I would have been stopped out. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you tomorrow.